One of the things new entrepreneurs often wonder when they're just starting out and writing their website copy is, how do I know what keywords to use? Well, what you think that you might show up for in search engine results and what your dream clients are actually typing into Google's search bar are often two totally different things. Let's have a look at how you can know what keywords you should go after. Hi, I'm Alli, and I help entrepreneurs level up their business online with a brand and website that connects with their dream clients. And a great way to make a connection with your audience online is to use keywords in your website copy that your dream clients would actually be searching for. Now, if you're thinking, whoa, lady, slow down, let's take a step back and have a look at what a keyword is in the first place. Keywords are the words that define what the content on your website is about. So if you take everything on your page, the images, the graphics, the copy, and pare them down to simple words and phrases, those are your main keywords. You want the keywords that you choose to appear in your copy to match what your dream client is searching for so that they have a better chance of finding you in the search engine results. So the question then is, how do you find what words and phrases your specific audience is searching for? Well, start by making a list of things that you already have in mind that you'd like to rank for, like what problem you solve and what you do, your specific services, and then use a keyword research tool to do some deeper digging. My favorite keyword research tool is called Ubersuggest. It's user-friendly and free, which is great. When you get to the site, just type in your keyword into the search bar and you'll see a bunch of other keywords and phrases and topics pop up that you may have not even thought of yet. So what you're looking for are the keywords and phrases that intersect between what you want to be found for, what your audience is looking for, and what hasn't already been covered by tons of other people. It will be much harder to show up in search engine results for a very general topic because so many other people cover that topic as well. So for example, health coach is going to be really hard to show up for, but if you can be more specific by using a keyword phrase like health coach for teens as an example, you'll do much better and be more likely to show up in the results. Once you've decided on one keyword or one key phrase, you'll want to include it in the URL of that page as well as the page title and inside of the copy. To sum it up, finding the best keywords for your website is a balance between what your audience is searching for and what you'll be able to rank for. Knowing what keywords to go after is just one of the many tasks that you need to do when you're trying to launch your business online. Curious to know what else you need to do and in what order? I want you to head over to dowellwebsites.com/30-day launch to download my 30 days to launch playbook. In the playbook, I teach you step by step what tasks you need to get done and in what order so that you can launch your business online in just 30 days. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I'll see you next time.